first day of 2024. My daughter accompanied me to do my DJI Avatar drone test. A long-due one that I sent back for repair after a crash months ago. New motor and frame change, looks as good as new now. The flight is smooth and with the master airscrew propellers, this Avatar drone is much quieter now. My daughter quite enjoying herself being my spotter, and I enjoyed this bonding time with her over this hobby. Looking forward to more this year. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year.
This is SG Techie Dad FPV.